After you log into your account, at the home page, you can see what will you design today. And it have a few options that is for you, documents, whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, and more. There are thousands of templates that you can choose from that are being prepared by Canva. At the homepage, you can search for your templates using some of the keywords. It is suggested to use 3 to 5 keywords to find the best templates for you. It shows hundreds and thousands of templates as suggested by Canva. The templates are first free to use that you can freely design and download. Second is the template with the crown icon, where the template you can use if you do subscribe to Canva Pro. And third, it is a paid templates, which you need to pay for certain elements in the templates. If you click on the design, it will go into a new tab. You can freely change the font, change the color, insert the elements, and do freely using your creativity as you want. And at the right corner, you can click share and you can download as a PDF, PNG, PowerPoint, JPEG, and stuff. If you want to save as SVG, you need to have a Canva Pro account. In a paid version, you can freely change the font, change the color, add elements, add animation, and so on. But when you click share and download, it will appear how many premium image that you need to pay. With Pro version, with a crown icon, you cannot click the template to edit. If you click, it will appear the trial version that you need to purchase or upfront your cart with.